Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This video is about the 20-day study plan for your auditing exam. Whether you're in this category that you've already studied the concepts or you're in the category where you're yet to even start this subject called auditing, or few standards I'm fine ma'am, few difficult standards are always there, whichever category you fall into, you have to do minimum of 2 revisions before you go for your final exams. So I have made a study plan for you all guys, for you to be doing these 2 revisions in a 20-day plan. Before I get into the study plan, before I explain about the study plan, I want to talk about a few free resources which is available for you on YouTube itself. There is the marathon which is available for you, which has gotten 25k plus views, and the expected questions specifically for Jan 2025 exams based on past trend. A few questions have been released, and RTP discussion for Jan 2025 is also there. You can find all the links in the description box below. Now, coming to this 20-day study plan. Now, this is applicable for you whether you have attended somebody else's class or you've attended my class or you referred to some other book. Whichever way, this study plan will be helpful for you. It will be applicable for you. Let me quickly tell you the first revision, in case if you do not have good conceptual clarity in a few standards, say 300, very difficult ma'am, 315, very big ma'am, very vast syllabuses. If you are feeling that way, I have a resource for you. If you go to the CA classroom, here you can see auditing for new syllabus Jan 2025, available for just 999 rupees right now for your January exam. This will be really helpful, especially if you want to revise the concepts, and part of this class also includes summary notes. Summary notes means this is extremely helpful for that one day before exam. You'll have to revise entire auditing subject, so you will be making the summary notes on your own as part of the class itself. You can buy this, and this class I have included this in the schedule. This part, in case you want to purchase the class, this is how you will be studying. Day 1, you start off with 200, 210 and 700 series. Day 2, 500, 501, 510, 520. How am I going to do so many standards, ma'am? It is definitely possible. These lectures are not old lectures. This is for the crash batch which I have recorded, which finished in December 2024. So you are watching this video in December 2024. This month only these lectures also got completed. So these are new lectures specifically made for the Jan 2025 attempt. Please watch this way, in this order. You should be able to finish the lectures in 12 days in case you're not able to finish, because plan always gets modified as per SA 300. We've seen audit plan keeps getting modifying. So here 12 days I made a plan, but it can get modified, it can get delayed. So I've given a 1 day buffer here for you to catch up on the videos if you have to. Now, what is this blue color, ma'am, you've given? This blue color is actually the least priority standards, least priority chapters for the Jan 2025 exams. But just because it's least priority, can I skip it? No. They can still test you for conceptual clarity. That means they can test you for MCQs. That means you need to know what is there in that standard. So you will be watching the lectures for that also. But the reason why I've put it in the end, this 560, 505, cooperative societies and all in the end, is only because it is least priority. But said that, you will be studying that also. Now, after this 1 day buffer starts your revision. Revision means you're going to study the same thing. Here, items of FS I've given 1 full day because this comes for 10 whole marks in your exam. So it's very important. From day 2 onwards, it's going to be super packed, which does not mean that you'll be studying from morning till night. If you're going to study auditing, considering it a theory subject, you'll be sleeping. So what I want you to do is, I want you to give the first half of the day for audit. For example, 7 to 1 you'll be doing audit, 1 to 2 probably lunch break, and then you'll start off with either costing or FMSM. So it's going to be a mix of 2 subjects every day, not just audit. The plan which I've made will suit preferably for 7 to 1. 7 to 1 also, obviously not continuously. You're going to have 1 hour of breakfast break, 15-20 minutes of break also in between. So that is how it is designed. The plan is designed. It is definitely doable. If you have a doubt, ma'am, how is it possible for me to do 200, 210, 700 series, 570, 580, 600, 610? How is it possible for me to do all of these standards, ma'am? You will see the magic when you see the lectures. You will be doing the summary notes as part of the lectures. Once the summary notes is in your hand, you will get the confidence that you will be able to finish a standard in probably 25 to 30 minutes itself. Now, when you get that confidence, this is not going to look big for you. It's going to be a cakewalk, trust me. And also remember, guys, that one day before the exam, you are expected to finish the entire syllabus of auditing. If that is possible, this definitely is possible. So that's it from my side, guys. You can take a screenshot of the lectures to watch for the first revision. That is, if you do not want the class, I told you this is still applicable for you. You can still follow this 12-day to do your first revision. Please do lots of questions also. Not just learning the concepts will be helpful. Please do questions. And then the second revision is right here for you. In case you want to do the classes, this is going to be your classes along with questions, and then comes your revision after the classes. So this is a 20-day plan for you guys. This will be extremely helpful if you are writing your exams in Jan 2025. So please let me know if you want any other resources also. You can please put in the comments below. Thank you so much, guys. All the very best for your exams.